Hello, my name is Gail Mathias. I am the subject leader and senior lecturer on the BA Honours 3D Design Crafts course at Plymouth College of Art. Our 3D Design Crafts course is very much about learning through making, with hands-on approaches to materials and processes in our expansive workshops that provide rich material experiences, supported by expert technicians and academic staff.
Hiya, my name is Dr. Kim Bagley and I'm a lecturer on the 3D Design Crafts programme at Plymouth College of Art. We like to work with students who challenge and redefine craft practices for the 21st century. For example, we have seen students work with installation, video, robotics, upcycling and performance in combination with a range of materials.
We have the luxury of spacious, fully equipped workshops with plenty of natural daylight and high ceilings. We are also one of the few UK colleges that has hot glass facilities. We also have workshops in ceramics, metals, wood and a fab lab which houses our digital equipment. So there's an opportunity to engage with and combine both digital and analogue technologies. There are also opportunities to use complementary facilities across the college to enhance your practice.
This is a contemporary practice-based course. It combines practical skills with critical thinking. This is really important in regards to developing ideas as well as analysing and evaluating the work you produce, as well as the work of your peers. We want to see you ask yourself questions about the importance of making and the potential of materials in the 21st century. Contextual studies will help you to form opinions, make judgments and improve the work you make. It gives purpose and intention to your practice. As a maker, you will learn how objects relate to and are part of wider issues in culture and society. First year is an opportunity to learn how to approach a range of materials, processes and equipment. We do a series of short, intense first year inductions. Second year is more about looking outwards and beginning to place your work in the world, and to consider the continued and evolving significance of making by hand in the 21st century. It's also an opportunity to consolidate and extend your technical skills and your professional persona. Then in your final year, you develop a distinctive visual and material identity for your practice.
Removing artwork from the studio environment and learning how to professionally display work in a gallery setting is something we encourage our students to do throughout the 3 years of their studies, so that by the time they reach their degree show, they feel confident and proficient and are not fazed by the prospect of exhibiting their work in a London arena, such as new designers upon graduation. If you'd like further information about our course, then please do not hesitate to get in touch. We'd be happy to answer any questions.